Before moving on to the steps, take a look at my real earnings in dollars as proof. This platform genuinely pays, and I have successfully withdrawn my money. The official website link is in the video description. Sign up for free. This platform pays you for completing simple tasks from various categories. Once the employer reviews and approves your work, you get paid. How to get started. 1. Select a task. Choose a category or filter by payout. 2. Read task details. Once you select a task, carefully read the entire task page from top to bottom. Read what is expected from freelancers. Required proof that the task was finished? Submit your proofs below, any additional notes or instructions. 3. Complete the task. Follow the steps, ensuring accuracy. 4. Submit proof. Double-check your work before submitting. Provide the proof requested by the employer, such as screenshots, links, or codes. 5. Review and payment. Once you submit your task, it goes into a review process. If the employer needs revisions, they will notify you instead of outright rejecting your submission. Simply make the necessary changes and resubmit. If your task needs corrections, you'll be notified to revise and resubmit. Keep an eye on the pending section to track progress. That's how simple it is to earn with this platform. Start now, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides.